How to make stickers on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go over to any reel and tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Create Sticker. Here, you can edit the video, such as setting the time limit, cropping, or adding a text. Then tap on Next at the top right corner. You can choose whether you want to make the sticker public over here. You can also add keywords if you want. Now tap on Create Sticker at the bottom. You have now successfully created a sticker using this video. You can find it in your profile and messaging favorites. Then tap on Done at the bottom. You can also tap on Send to Friends to share the sticker with your friends. Following these steps, you can easily make stickers on TikTok.